Hi! Welcome to Partido College. I'm RJ Jove, and I will be your instructor in Physical Education 1.
Today, we're going to talk about physical fitness, wherein we are going to define what is physical fitness, what are the concepts and components of physical fitness, and its importance in our lives. Before we proceed to our lesson, let me ask you this question. Do you consider yourself as physically fit? Is it possible for us to measure how physically fit we are? Being physically fit is one of the great challenges for us. In the age where people are surrounded by gadgets, we sometimes neglect the importance of engaging to activities that will help us become physically fit. Excessive exposure to sedentary activities, that is, activities that requires little to none movements, will result to complications that we call as lifestyle diseases. Now, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the ability of a person to do his or her task without undue fatigue and has reserved energy for emergency situations. A person, in order for him or her to be called as physically fit, must be able to get through all the activities that he does every day without getting easily tired. But that not ends there. He or she must have some reserve energy for emergency situations which are uncalled for. Now, let's talk about the components of physical fitness. Physical fitness components are divided into two groups: the health-related fitness and the skills-related fitness. Health-related fitness are physical fitness components that aims to develop our health. This includes body composition, cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, and muscular endurance.
Body composition is the relative amount of muscles, bones, fats, and tissues in our body. The body composition of a person is measured by computing the body mass index. How to compute your BMI? First, you are going to get the measurement of your height and weight. Then, you are going to compute your BMI using the formula BMI is equals to weight in kilograms over height in meters squared. Then, find your BMI classification using the BMI classification table. If your BMI is less than 18.5, that means you are underweight. If your BMI is 18.5 to 24.9, that means you are normal. If your BMI is 25 to 29.9, that means you are overweight. And if your BMI is more than 30, that means you are obese. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to our body. Swimming and distance running are the activities that will develop this component. Muscular endurance, on the other hand, is the ability of the muscles to perform repeated tasks without getting tired. This refers to your ability to lift weights in longer period of time. Flexibility is the ability of the joints to move in a wider range of motion. Posture exercises and stretching are activities that will develop our flexibility.
Skills-related fitness are physical fitness components that aims to develop our skills, especially in sports. This includes agility, balance, coordination, power or muscular strength, speed, and reaction time.
Agility is the ability to shift one's body in different directions quickly and efficiently. Balance is the ability of the body to maintain stability, whether in static or in motion. Coordination is the ability to use the senses together with other body parts while performing motor tasks smoothly and accurately. Speed is the ability to perform successive movements of the same pattern in a short period of time. Strength is the ability to lift weights and perform explosive movements. Athletes in throwing events must develop this component in order to perform well at competitions, while reaction time is the ability to react and make decisions quickly. Let's proceed to your second activity. Part 1. Identification. Tell whether the following fitness components is health-related or skills-related. Write H if it is health-related and S if it is skills-related. Part 2. Computation. Compute your own BMI and identify what is your BMI classification. Let's apply what you have learned. Every day, we have this set of activities that we must accomplish at the end of the day. What are you going to do is make an inventory of your daily activities and identify what fitness components is best practiced in that activity. Use the format below and do it in a short-sized bond paper.